this is Tammy. Like to say that if you watch this video and you are interested in the house, I'm sorry to say it did sell. Sold pretty quick, $969,000. Great home, had ocean access, had a private boat dock. But don't be discouraged, because if you are looking for something similar, I've got several coming up soon. I can certainly show you what's available in the market and would love to help you out. There's also a QR code if you want to scan that and you have a house to sell. It'll give you the current valuation of what your home would probably sell for in today's market. And I can certainly give you more information on that if you choose to go with that. It'll also take you to my website, which will show you current homes in the area. Thanks and have a great day. Hi there. Here's the QR code that you can click with your camera phone. When you click on it, it should have a little Barron Real Estate Co. tab. Click that. It'll take you to the website where you can find out your free evaluation and or any upcoming listings and current listings that are on the market. Thanks again.